Hi everyone, welcome back. In this cooking video, I will show you a delicious Greek quinoa salad recipe which is dairy and nuts free. Here are the ingredients: half bell pepper, 3/4 cucumber, 6-8 pieces of dry tomatoes, 1.5 avocado, 1 cup of tomatoes, 1/4 cup of olives, half cup of quinoa, half teaspoon salt and pepper, 1 teaspoon oregano, 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil and balsamic vinegar. Let's get started. Boil 1.5 times more water than the amount of quinoa with a teaspoon of salt. When the water is boiling, add the rinsed quinoa and cook it for 8 minutes. Then set aside for 5 minutes to cool down with the lid on. In the meantime, we prepare the salad dressing. Add oil, balsamic vinegar, salt, garlic powder, pepper and oregano in a bowl. Mix it until the salt dissolves. Now we chop the vegetables up. I like to slice the tomatoes and olives for the salad. However, the shape and the size is up to your taste. Diced cucumber and bell pepper. Cut avocado and dry tomatoes into long stripes. Before we continue, please don't forget to like. After 13 minutes, the quinoa looks like this. It will absorb all the water if you use the right amount. I like to use this colorful quinoa because I like my food to be colorful. The last step is to combine the ingredients in a bowl. Mix quinoa, tomato, bell pepper, cucumber, olives, dried tomatoes in a bowl. Now pour the dressing over it and mix it properly. At last but not least, add the avocado and mix it gently so the avocado doesn't get mashed. That was my quinoa salad, guys. I hope you have enjoyed my video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and leave me some feedback. I would be happy to read it. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon.